Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I've just randomly picked up my camera to film this video. Initially I thought I would do this spend a day with me kind of video wherein I'll show you my entire day. And I woke up early for this. I woke up around 6:37 a.m. for this, but I got busy with editing and all of that, so I dropped the entire plan. I have to attend a family function today, so I thought I would show you my Indian makeup glam and how do I do my hair and how do I take care of my entire condition. So we are going to do that. And as you can see, my hair is looking all crusty, my skin is looking dull, my nail paint is chipping, a lot is going on, my condition is not the best right now. So we are going to fix everything. Firstly, we are just going to put a face mask to bring back the brightness. We'll remove this and we'll take a quick shower and then we'll start getting ready. Also guys, I've been listening to this song. It's called Man by Hassan Rahim and Bayan. बहुत सुन रही हूँ मैं इसको आजकल. I don't know why. I'm not sad or anything, but okay guys, so the face mask is done, the nail polish is removed. I'm just spraying some rose water to feel fresh, and after that I'm going to oil my hair. Going to keep the oil in my hair for 30 minutes. This is something I do once or twice a month, not regularly, and then I'm simply combing my hair so that there are no knots when I wash my hair. Then I'm quickly going to hop into the shower and I'll start off by washing my hair. My hair feels quite itchy and flaky in winters because of the dandruff, but dandruff is quite common in winters. We can't do much, we can only take care of it. So I'm going to try out the mamaearth's lemon anti-dandruff shampoo, which has lemon and ginger in it. Both of these ingredients have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is great for your dandruff. Usually anti-dandruff shampoos can be quite drying. They also have a lot of nasties in it, but this particular one is not at all drying. It doesn't have any parabens or SLS, so it's safe to use. With consistent usage, you can even get rid of 100% of your dandruff, which is really cool. I'm also going in with the conditioner from the same range. You can actually get a 20% off if you use my code Prerna J2025 on Mamaearth's website or app, or you can get it from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purplle or nearby stores. Do let me know in the comments below if you spot a Mamaearth store near you. Also guys, Mamaearth works on your feedbacks. They work on improving their products, so help them with your feedback. Then I'm simply going in with some soap bar today because I have to take a shower once I come back. So not doing much, just basic shower stuff. And once the shower is done, we will style our hair. This is the suit that I'm going to wear. I love the color. This isn't mine, it belongs to my sister, but I'm going to wear it today because I like it so much. I'm going to use both curling wand and my blow dry brush just to smoothen out my frizzy hair because my hair looks very frizzy and dry. So I'm just going to smoothen out my hair and I'm doing the usual thing, nothing too crazy. Then I'm going to use my curling wand. I want to go with some loose curls. That is my usual way of curling my hair. I just take a hair strand, I wrap it around my curling wand and it gives me the perfect curls ever. I keep it for like 5 to 6 seconds, not more than that. It doesn't damage my hair that much, and I love doing loose curls only, so it gives me the perfect hairstyle that I want. And we're just going to repeat the steps. It's going to take us try and wrap it around the wand, and this is how my hair has turned out. I think it looks pretty nice. And then moving on with the makeup, I actually did my eye makeup, but I ruined it, so I removed it. And now we are going in with the base first. I've applied some primer, and then we're going in with some foundation. I'm not a foundation type of a person, but there are days when I like to go with a full face of makeup. So I'm using this cushion foundation from Tir Tir, and I love the coverage of this one, although I would like to try out some other shades as well, but for now this is it. Then I'm going to go with some concealer to hide my under eyes and to highlight my under eyes and to conceal my acne marks, putting a little bit on my chin and a little on my forehead as well. And I'm blending it with this disposable sponge. I actually quite like disposable sponges because they are very, very hygienic, firstly. Second, they blend your liquid makeup beautifully, so I love using disposable sponges. Then I'm going in with some liquid blush because liquid blushes are quite long lasting if you compare them with powder blushes. And I love this shade on me. I love how beautiful it looks. And then I'm going to set my under eyes with some loose powder. Moving to the eye makeup, I'm just going to put some muted pink eyeshadow because I don't want to do too much. It's not going to be a big event, it's going to be a small event, so I don't want to look like I've done too much. So I'm just using this muted pink eyeshadow and I'm applying it all over my crease. And then after blending everything properly, I am taking a brown shade to deepen my eyes. To deepen that shade. I don't know if it makes sense, but I'm putting it on the outer corner of my eye and blending it properly. Then I've put some concealer to make it look neat. I'm not doing like cut crease or anything, just to make it look clean and to give the illusion of a cut crease. So when I don't have time to do cut crease and all of that, I do this. Then I'm going in with some highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. Also going to use some bronzy loose shimmer. You can keep your eye makeup matte if you want to. I'm just putting it a little bit. It doesn't look too much, but it looks like you've done something, like a little something. Then I'm going in with some highlighter, applying it on the tip of my nose and on my cheeks. This is a very natural looking highlighter. It doesn't look very shimmery or glittery, so I love using this one. Once all of that is done, I'm moving to my eyebrows. I've zoomed in because I wanted to show you guys how I do my eyebrows because I get a lot of comments about that. So I fill in whatever gaps are there and then I give some shape to my eyebrows. It looks too much, but if you blend it with your spoolie, it comes together and it looks nice only. So this is how I do my eyebrows. And then we're doing I'm doing my winged eyeliner using this eyeliner pen. And I think using an eyeliner pen is quite convenient on an everyday basis because you can draw your liner as precise as you want. So yes, I love it. Then for the mascara, I've zoomed in because I wanted to show you guys that even though this mascara is great for the price, but no matter how hard I tried, it just didn't apply evenly and it was looking clumpy. So I don't know what was wrong with the mascara, but yeah, that's how it looked. Then I'm going to do the last step, which is the lipstick. I'm going to use this brown lip liner to line my lips and to contour my lips because we are going to do matte lips today. I'm going to fill in my lips with the lip liner. Like, it's called contouring your lips heavily, so that is what I'm doing. And after that, we're going to put in this liquid lipstick just in the center, nowhere else. I love this shade and I love how it looks once it's all dried. You will see it now. Then I'm just fixing my makeup with this makeup fixer, and this is how the makeup has turned out. I love the hair as well. I love that the makeup and hair looks subtle and not too much. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.
I can see us holding get your toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, wanna make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.